Hello, we're going to the beach today. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to another country today. We're going to the second country of our world tour, and we're going to Albania, to its sandy beaches, swimming in the sea with the dolphins, and eating delicious Albanian food. So, let's get to it. Today's recipe is going to be Albanian and Byrek. I hope I pronounce it right. If you are Albanian or if you know Albanian, please tell me how to pronounce it. And it's basically some sort of, you could name it a pie with spinach. It's vegetarian and it's delicious. Let's see what the ingredients are. For our dish, we will need approximately 1 kilo of fresh spinach. I have approximately 800 grams. And I think I'll work with this. Then we'll need 2 green onions chopped. I had 2 ginormously huge onions, so I think it's a bit more than it's supposed to be. Calculate around 150 grams plus minus. Then we will need some phyllo dough. If you can't find phyllo dough, also puff pastry could work for you. Then we need feta cheese, approximately 300 grams. Since I have less spinach, I have only 200 grams. 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and the ever-present olive oil in my amazing water bottle. First, let's wash the spinach and steam it a little in order to reduce its size. In a skillet, we pour a bit of water, not too much, and then we pour our spinach on it and boil it only for a couple of minutes until it loses some of its huge surface. So as you can see, the spinach looks like it's a lot. If you have worked with spinach before, which you probably have, you know that it's actually a vegetable that fools you. You buy like a huge mountain of spinach and then you end up with a small ball once it's cooked. So this is all that fits for now. We'll have to wait a bit. Now here is our sad looking spinach after it lost all of its mass. What we'll have to do next is remove the water. So what I usually do is take a sieve, pour the spinach in a sieve, and just push it. If it's too hot, I use my wooden spoon. Now it's time to heat up your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and take out a baking tray, baking form. I have this pie form. I'll brush it with some olive oil. Next, what I do is lay out some of the phyllo leaves. So let me do some math. They should be around 11 leaves. So approximately half we will need now. So we place one here and the second one. It's actually second and third. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we add some more olive oil. Every approximately 3 to 4 leaves, we brush some olive oil on top. Doesn't have to be too much. So in order to have half, we put another 2. Brush some olive oil, and now we go over to the filling. We put this aside, otherwise you won't be able to see. So we take a bowl and pour in our dry spinach. If you are using full leaves or whole leaves, remember to chop the leaves. I have already chopped leaves, so I'll skip this part. Next, add in the eggs. We made a mess. Second egg. Next we add in our green onions that look almost like they're more than our spinach. That's the problem of having monster onions. Maybe I can show you how big they are later. Salt. Pepper. A bit of olive oil. And the feta. We're going to crumble it. Do you also have some cheese fetish like me? I love cheese. I could eat cheese all day, every day. I actually found some friends who have the same problem as me, and we spend hours on end on WhatsApp talking about cheeses and what cheeses to eat and how to eat them and how to combine them. And I just want to know if if we're a rare species or if there are more crazy cheese people out there, because my husband doesn't really understand me. So here we have our feta. This we're going to lick, and it's time to mix. Let's mix it well. Okay, now we transfer it onto our pie tray. Ugh, it's heavy. And I'm weak. I trained and I'm weak. We distribute it. What you can also do is like make tiny bite-sized byrek. I've eaten them a couple of times in different restaurants. They turn out to be like fingers, the size of fingers. And it's basically the same principle, but instead of using several, you use just only 1 or 2 sheets and then roll them up and bake them in the oven or fry them if you want. Mostly bake them. And we take our remaining sheets, place them on top, press it down, and another one. And as before, same procedure as every year. We have the oil that we distribute more or less evenly. And another one. This one is not cooperating. And we have the last one. Now we roll it up. I am horrible at this, so please don't judge me. I'm not a professional cook. I'm not very good at these kind of things. So have mercy on me. We can't excel at everything. Ah, look at how perfectly imperfect it looks. Here we have some leftovers that we just sprinkle on top because I don't want to throw them away. Now this goes into the oven for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees, as I said before. See ya! Thank you for waiting. Here is our searingly hot byrek. We're finally done. We're ready to eat. And this is it for this video. So I guess our holiday is about to come to an end. We're going to go back home, enjoy the rest of the week, and get ready for another trip. Thank you very much for joining in today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked this recipe. I hope you're going to try this at home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos, subscribe to my channel. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye, stay safe.